Hello, good morning. All are welcome for my General Safety Awareness Program. This is a continuous educational program which I have planned for giving a safety knowledge. As you know that I have already given some of the videos. So let us see what are the videos which I have given you. First, I have asked you, I have told you what is safety. Safety is a freedom from any dangerous condition, you will be knowing. And then what are the areas of safety? Everywhere safety is there. That's why we are knowing as a safety first in all places. Then I have mentioned how safety can be implemented. There are 5 steps I had told you, that education and engineering control and also an enforcement, enthusiastic mentality creation and evaluation. These are the 5 steps. Then what is the hazards and risks? Anything which can get harmful to us, that is known as hazards, and the consequence of the hazards, that is also coming as a risk. Then what is HSE, health safety environment? This I have mentioned you. Then what are the safety rules? Basic safety rules I have told you. Then what is the difference between safety and security? Many people are confusing safety and security are same, but I have mentioned both are different. One is safety is a freedom from protection from any dangerous condition, whereas the security is protection for man-made activities. Then what is safety and first aid? This is also very correlated subjects, that was I have mentioned you. Then now I want to talk to you how safety and welfare is correlated. When we are talking about the safety activities, that welfare activities also are mentioning in many laws. There not only just safety is not sufficient. So that's why when we are talking about the safety activities, we have given some importance to the health also. Now not only the health of the employee, now we have to get some actions on the welfare activities. So what do you mean by, and moreover, you can see that in the implementation of safety step, there are 5 steps I have mentioned. That is, one is education, and next one is engineering control. Then third one is enforcement, and fourth one is that enthusiastic mentality. We have to create them. Then with some welfare things, welfare activities, we have to provide the workers. Then only they will have an enthusiastic. They will and more getting and a knowledge for getting the safety. So welfare facilities, we can say that in other ways. Then evaluation. So what is the difference between health and welfare? Health means already we have mentioned physically, mentally, and we are fit without any diseases, and we should also be social well-being. But in case of a welfare means that you should have also a good say health condition. In addition, you must have a good social well-being and also some financial well-being. Always happiness should be there with you. Then only we can that it is a good welfare facilities are there. So in order to get to this good welfare facilities in industry, that many rules, regulations and everything are there. You may be knowing about the Factory Act 1948. They are not only the safety only which is mentioned. In the basic health requirement also was mentioned, and also the welfare requirement for employees, like this goods, how crowding of the people should be avoided. There should be a minimum requirement of some areas. Similarly, minimum requirement of this sanitary purpose, and also what are the food minimum health in order to have some health good condition. So good food and other thing, good air and humidity control. All these things are not only just for controlling the health only, but also health, and mainly control the health only, but this welfare of the people also. Like how we are controlling in the industry means mainly some type of activities like a safety competition we are encouraging, and good housekeeping. So those are the people always get an enthusiastic mentality, and competition mentality will come there, and automatically they used to learn, they used to participate in the competition and get good prize. So they will automatically having a good welfare, good mentality for creating the safety knowledge. safety activities. They will participate in the safety activities also. There are some other places also this good welfare program we have adopted, like in general safety, general welfare program, like in the health state level, industrial level, and also in the national level, international level, state level. You can say that so many governments that public distribution system for this one is safety welfare of the overall people. And in the other type of welfare facilities are there for subsidies, the in the companies and other things, subsidies way for canteen food, canteen for those who are working there. That is a welfare for the people. Similarly, another welfare facilities is there for industry. That is giving transportation facilities from workplace to their home. Similarly, another welfare facilities is provided for a good type of healthcare facilities for that one. ESI scheme is there in India. Employee state insurance. These are coming into the welfare type of facilities. So like this way, in order to get a good achieve a safety with the minimum requirement of welfare is one of the most important things. So safety and welfare are so correlated, and if good welfare facilities we are providing, people can get a good knowledge, a they can create a good habit of a safety. So that's why many industry they are having their own welfare systems as there. So what are their welfare system is suppose some type of external recreation club they are providing safety, and their children they are giving some type of educational concession or in educational fees concession, like this type of so many welfare activities are providing the individual institution in individual company or individual organization. So a welfare system is so correlated with any other system. So it is very important for the safety of the people, safety for promoting the safety. So I am not going to say, extend this much more time. So safety and welfare is correlated. I can also tell you that in the national level, when we are talking the India, more probably people are talking about that it is a welfare state. Actually, when we are comparing India, is not, we cannot say that 100% welfare state, because the compared with other countries in the European countries and other thing, they are fully welfare state. Here, because some limitations are there because of the huge population and also the poverty. We have not come to that standard of the welfare state. But in the near future, we can expect that we will be also reaching in a good welfare stage. So these are the international level people are taking the welfare activities for the growth of their people. So I'm not, let me stop for the time being. I'm stopping. We will be coming with another video in the next class. This general safety awareness program, almost we are going to be finished condition. Maybe next video, if possible, I will be giving. For the time being, I am. Okay, goodbye to everybody. Bye. Okay. Wish you all a good day, happy, healthy, safe day. Okay, thank you.